In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a many-to-many field in Odoo. To get started, open your Odoo website and sign into your account. Once you're inside Odoo, go to the apps page where you can see the available Odoo applications. From there, scroll down until you find the customization section. In that section, click on Studio to launch Odoo Studio, which is the tool used to customize your views and fields without writing code. After Studio opens, go to the form view where you want to add the many-to-many field. This is important because the field will be added directly to the form users work with. Once you're in the correct view, look at the Studio panel and click the Add tab. Under New Fields, find the many-to-many field type, then drag and drop it into the exact location where you want it to appear on the form. At this point, Odoo will show a configuration pop-up. Here, you need to select the related model. This defines which records users will be able to choose from when using the field. For example, if you want users to select multiple contacts, you would choose the contacts model. This is what makes the field relational and allows records from both sides to be connected. Next, go to the field properties and enter the label you want users to see on the form. For example, you might use participants. Choose a label that clearly describes what kind of related records should be selected, since this helps make the form easier to understand. Then, move to the widget option and choose how the linked records should be displayed. For example, you can select tags if you want the selected records to appear as tags on the form. Odoo also provides other display options for many-to-many fields, including the standard many-to-many style and checkboxes. So choose the one that best fits the way users will interact with the field. After that, configure the available many-to-many properties shown in the field's properties panel. These settings let you fine-tune how the field behaves and appears in the form, so take a moment to review them before finishing. When you're done, click Close in the upper right corner of Studio. You'll return to the normal Odoo application view that you just customized. Now click New to create a new record, or open an existing one from the list. On the record form, locate the field using the label you created, such as participants. Then click into it and select multiple records from the related model. Your many-many field is now created and ready to use, allowing users to associate multiple records with the current record. Thanks for watching.